Hello everybody. So today we're going to be making some lovely Mahandi dal. The first ingredient is 3 onions. Funny word, isn't it? Onion. Well anyway, so time to add the garlic. Uh, I was meant to count how many, so you can try and do that right now if you want. But, I'm going to say it's like, I don't know, like like four or something, five. Hmm, I don't know, one. That looks like three there. That looks like four. I don't know.
Yeah.
Yeah. Well, anyway, you probably shouldn't really cut onions like that. That probably looks like a health and safety hazard. But um, if you want to, go for it.
Yes.
I'm not to blame if you chop your fingers off or anything.
Okay.
Maybe. No,
Yeah.
I shouldn't be to blame for that. Yeah, you got to just keep chopping them.
Yeah. Yeah. That's fine.
I'd say probably. Yeah, you want to use like that much onion off on a whole bulb. I don't know how much that is. Probably like six. Anyway, now I need to add some olive oil to that all, you know, spazzazzle it up, I suppose. Time for the dal, So
Yeah.
get some
Like
beans,
anything on a
some
plate and then just
urdi beans, I believe that was. Go pop them in a bowl, about a bowl's worth, if that counts, as a measurement. Yeah, about a bowl. Yeah, just want to pour them in there. All good. That's how you do it. Yep. Um. Ooh, yeah. Cool. Yeah. Now you want to add some. Which one? Which ones are these? Some. Some moth beans. Moth beans. Yeah, you want to add some of them as well. Get about like half probably. Yeah, I'd say about half. Go on, let's see. Yeah, that's like half. Yeah, you want to add about half to it. Half a bowl's worth. Yeah. And yeah, mix them together. Oh yeah. So you want to get some water, wash them all out. Yeah, give them a nice little wash. This bit can actually be done the day before, and then the beans, the dal, doesn't go hard. So it's probably better to do this the day before, and then let them soak for a little bit. So just keep giving them a little bit of a wash. Add some water, you know. Yeah, you can drain it. There's something that is in your hand, but if you want, your hand is good. Yep, cool. All right, now it's time to give them onions a mix. Yeah, so you just want to just keep giving them a mix, I suppose. Oh yeah, the more noise you make, by the way, the better of a chef you are. It's pretty common knowledge, but I thought I'd just mention that. Yeah. So, so yeah, you want to add that dal that was previously soaked. So just give it a bit of time to soak, and then yeah, you want to add like I'd say about 2 pounds of water. Um, yeah, it was 2 pounds of water. Cool. Yeah, once you've done that, it's yeah. Yeah, I'm trying to think. Oh yeah, so now it's time for this stuff. So this is masala. You're gonna want to add like what's that like one big ass tablespoon. Um, the next one I want you to close your eyes while looking at it because otherwise you your arteries might have a bit of a
No,
shock. But yeah, you want to add about one and a half tablespoons of
that's why
salt.
Bibi's food tastes so good.
Yeah, that is why Bibi's food tastes so good. Yeah, you want to add some chili seeds, like two, as much as your body can literally take. That's probably the Indian standard. Um, And yeah, you probably know when you crossed it. Don't need to go into detail there. So, yeah, and then you want to add some haldi as well. Yeah, haldi is pretty important. Make sure that stuff doesn't get in your clothes. Otherwise, yeah, you might as well just chuck them in the bin. Let's be honest. All right, so once you've got all of them, you wanna. Oh yeah, so we've got some. I mean, we want to add some ginger, but for some reason we've only got frozen ginger. You can do the lovely thing of getting a kettle, putting your hands in 100-degree water and trying to break it off. Personally, I'm not really a fan of that one, mainly because I do like my fingers. But you know, if you want to try it this way, go for it. Otherwise, you know, you want to probably
I do.
defrost the ginger
Take
beforehand, or you know, just
Met is strong.
have some non-frozen ginger.
Met dit? Nee?
Oh yeah. All right. So then once you've done that, you want to add that ginger in, um, and then yeah, you've got that pan.
Horen van
Uh, and yeah, you want to. Oh, let's see. Let's see how much. That's how much water you want to have, and you want to just keep it bubbling. Just keep it bubbling. You know, you want to give that like a good 2, 3, 4 hours. You know, just give it a nice time to cook. And then there you go. There is your beautiful Mahandi dal. And here is the test. Let's see. Let's see. Yeah, that looks pretty good to me. All right. Well, thank you for watching. You know, hopefully you can make some Mahandi dal, and good tidings to you all. Oh yeah. Also want to thank my Bibi, you know, for giving me this food and making it and whatnot. Yeah, I'm very grateful to her, and thank you, Bibs.